Going in with one near the inside. They're often racing. In the main, a pretty good dispatch, and the grey Davala shows out early on. Ionica underneath it going forward to contest the lead. Winner Take All is up there, and so too is See the Universe as they sort themselves out. Canley Cares from a wide alley striding up into about fifth spot. Then there's a line of horses. Carilla on the inside of Ankle Bell. Yogi well back with Summer Duckwood. Ballet Academy just easing out of it to second last. And last of all is Dancing Doll. So Davala strode clear at the 800, led by over a length on Canley Cares, improving out wide. Ionica the centre, Carilla on the rail. Ankle Bell running fifth, only about 2.5 off the lead. Then Winner Take All, followed further back in the centre by See the Universe. Summer Duckwood is back along the fence. Then Yogi, Dancing Doll and Ballet Academy at the tail of the field. So Davala showing out as they near the turn from Canley Cares and Ionica. Carilla's hard ridden, Ankle Bell next. Summer Duckwood starting to pick up some ground from Winner Take All as they make the home turn where Davala led out clearly by a couple of lengths on Ionica, Canley Cares, and coming through near the inside, Ankle Bell, Winner Take All and Summer Duckwood. Davala in front, Ankle Bell on the inside coming at it, and Winner Take All down the outside. Ankle Bell's hit the front from Davala. It's Ankle Bell kicking away, and Ankle Bell will go down to win it. Beat Davala, and Winner Take All will get third in front of Summer Duckwood. Then Ionica, followed further back by Dancing Doll, Carilla, Ballet Academy, Canley Cares, Yogi, and last in was See the Universe.